Greetings of the day, dear students, and welcome back to your English grammar class. In today's class, we are going to do another topic from our grammar book, that is adjectives. An adjective describes, identifies, or quantifies a noun or a pronoun. Let's now take an example for adjectives. The grey elephant was walking behind a white taxi. In this sentence, we can see that the adjective grey and white describe the color of the nouns elephant and taxi. Let's now learn about the kinds of adjectives. There are 9 kinds of adjectives. Let's learn about them one by one. The first one is adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality describe the quality of a noun, its shape, size, color, state, or condition. They answer the question, what kind of? For example, Neeta does not like the smell of ripe jackfruit. Here, the adjective ripe describes what kind of jackfruit Neeta does not like. The next adjectives are adjectives of quantity. These specify the quantity of the noun being talked about. They answer the question how many in case of countable and how much in case of uncountable nouns. Let us take some examples. I have many friends. Here, the adjective many is talking about the noun friends. Another example is there is enough food for everyone. Next, we have adjectives of number. They tell us about the number of people or things in a sentence. Adjectives of number are of two kinds: definite numeral adjectives and indefinite numeral adjectives. Definite numeral adjectives denote an exact number to the noun. There are cardinals and ordinals in definite numeral adjectives. Cardinal numbers mention the exact number of noun. For example, I called you 3 times. Here, 3 is the exact number of times that the person had been called. Ordinal numbers mention rank, position, or order of a noun in a series. For example, Rahul is the first boy to reach school. Here, the position for the noun Rahul is the first position. The indefinite numeral adjectives do not denote an exact number. For example, all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, and several. The next type of adjectives are demonstrative adjectives. These are used to point out a specific noun or pronoun. The 4 demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. Let us take some examples. Those bananas are ripe and these ones are raw. Here, those and these are the demonstrative adjectives. Next, we have distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are used to refer to a person or thing separately. For example, each student was given a kit. Here, the adjective each talks about every single student separately. Next, we have emphasizing adjectives. These are used to lay stress on a noun. For example, you are the very person I'm looking for. Here, the word very puts more stress on the noun person. The next adjectives are possessive adjectives. These indicate ownership or possession and always come before the noun. These answer the question whose. For example, their children live in USA. The question can be whose children live in USA, and the answer to that question will be their. Next, we have interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions and are always followed by a noun. For example, which topic are you going to talk about? Here, the interrogative adjective which is followed by the noun topic. The next adjectives are proper adjectives. These modify nouns and pronouns and are formed from proper nouns. Proper nouns, the name of a particular place, person, or thing. Proper adjectives are always used with a capital letter. They are always capitalized. For example, I like Chinese food. Here, the proper adjective Chinese comes from the proper noun China. And that means the food that comes from China is called Chinese food. In today's class, we studied about adjectives and kinds of adjectives. In our next class, we are going to study about order of adjectives and the degrees of adjectives. So that will be all for today's class. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning.